Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create e-way bill in Zoho Books. So of course, head over to books.zoho.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, just head over and hover your mouse on sales, then click on invoices. So from here, you should be able to see a list of all your invoices, and all you have to do is click on the specific invoice that you want to create an e-way bill. So from your invoice page, you should be able to see the add e-way bill details option, and all you have to do is click on it. A window will then pop up with options, and all you have to do is click on create a new e-way bill. So from here, of course, all you have to do is fill in all the details about the new e-way bill that you're going to create, starting with the part A. Just choose transaction subtype and transporter, also the distance in kilometers. Then proceed by filling out details on part B, starting with choosing the mode of transportation, whether it's through road, rail, ship, or air. Also, choose vehicle type if it's regular or over-dimensional cargo, and also enter in vehicle number. Also, if you have the transporter's dock number and transporter's dock date. Then once done, just head over and click on Save and Generate. Lastly, enter in your GST credentials. Just fill in the username and password. Then once done, just head over and click on Save and Validate. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!